Welcome to 4765 Brinkley Lane, located in Westfield Park subdivision in Sandy Springs, close to Chatham Park. Step up onto your inviting front porch. You enter into the large foyer with original chair rail and coat closet. The living room spans the front of the home, featuring hardwood floors and floor-to-ceiling windows and original picture molding. Here is a reverse view of the living room towards foyer. The dining room is also on the front of the home and features original chair rail and picture molding.